Hello there, Miss Jackie Russell here. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I have a small little video to get out, but I wanted to get out my Earfleek. It came today. And this is a monthly subscription. I get one pair of earrings for about $2, and I join up for like a 6-month subscription. It's normally $3.94 a month, I believe. And if you sign up for longer, you do get discounts. So I think mine averages out to $2 and something a month for a pair of earrings. So we're going to pop in here and see what we have. Now, I have been putting my code up there for Earfleek, but it doesn't seem to be working properly. So my best advice to you is if you're interested in getting Earfleek, just go to their channel or go to their website, and I'll have the link down there, and subscribe. They may have some discounts there that you could use, and I can put mine there and I'll try it, but I've had several of you say that it doesn't work, and I've even gone on there and tried to see if it's going to work, and it doesn't seem to do anything. So I don't know if they're having problems with that or not, but I will double check, and otherwise just go on there and check, because they may have their own specials for you. Alright guys, this month we have Calcutta Cutie, and that's the piece of paper that tells us about it. It says, add a bit of glitz to any outfit with this Calcutta Cutie earrings. Pair these saffron yellow and gold accented earrings with a pigmented lip and highlight. So I guess they're telling us how to do our makeup too. Alright guys, well let's just find out what's in here. It's already closed itself up. It always comes in a little pink bag. And of course we got Earfleek on there. And let's just reach in here and see what we have. You never know what you're going to get. These are gold, which I like. They're kind of gold and yellow. So they are different. These are different style. What do y'all think? Let me see if I can get it to hang right. Okay, so when you put them on, it's going to be like this. And that's what it was talking about with the yellow or the gold highlights. Very unique. Would you say that's asymmetrical? I would. That looks very interesting. Let's see how they look. What do you think? I think that looks pretty cool. Huh. That's very different, but I like it. So you let me know. Do you like it? I might as well just match up with the other side, right? We'll see how it looks over here. If we're going to be asymmetrical, we need to be the same on each side. I like these. These are pretty. They're different. I've not had any, I guess you'd say these are almost a two-tone color, and I have had two-tone, like where they use black as the tone with either silver or the gold, but these look very pretty. I like them. Oh yeah, okay. Earfleek did good. It's called the Calcutta Cutie. And I'll have to say, I think they look cute. And on our little card, it has that their MSRP is $15.99. So that's a good deal for $2 or $3. You got you a pair of earrings, and they send them out every month. And you know, these will make great little gifts. If you don't want to use the earrings for yourself, you could save up a few pair and give them out to your children, to kids, to teenagers, to granddaughters. I'm sure that they would love them. And that's what we have for Earfleek today. So you guys let me know, did you like my Earfleek? Did they do good this month? I think I love these much better than the ornament looking things that I got last month. Now I realize some of you might have really liked those, but I didn't really care for it looking like a shaker. Looked like a shaker to me, so I just didn't, I just didn't like them too much. So anyways, I like these a whole lot. So, as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.